The 157-kilometer highway project. China has once again shocked the world with a massive infrastructure project that looks more like science fiction than reality. A 157-kilometer highway built with minimal human involvement. Instead of thousands of workers manually operating machinery across construction zones, much of the work was completed using autonomous machines, AI-powered systems, robotic paving equipment, drones, and satellite-guided technology. This project became one of the clearest examples of how construction is entering a completely new era. For decades, road construction around the world depended heavily on manual labor. Highway projects usually required huge workforces. Workers had to survey the land, control paving equipment, compact asphalt, inspect road quality, and coordinate logistics across enormous construction areas. These projects were expensive, slow, and often dangerous. But China wanted to change that completely. The goal was not only to build faster, the goal was to build smarter. And this highway became a testing ground for the future of automated infrastructure. The machines building the highway. One of the most fascinating parts of the project was the machinery itself. Instead of traditional construction sites filled with large human crews, the highway project used intelligent construction equipment operating almost like a synchronized robotic system. Autonomous paving machines moved in carefully controlled formations. Driverless road rollers compacted asphalt automatically. AI systems monitored the road surface in real time. Drones flew overhead, scanning construction zones continuously. Satellite positioning systems guided machines with centimeter-level precision. Every machine was connected digitally. Each system knew exactly where the others were operating. This reduced mistakes, overlaps, and delays. The construction process became more efficient than traditional methods. Some of the advanced machinery used in these projects came from major Chinese companies like Sany Group and XCMG. These companies have invested heavily in intelligent construction technology. Modern paving systems can automatically control asphalt distribution. Smart rollers can detect whether the road surface has been compacted correctly. If one area requires additional pressure, the machine adjusts automatically. This creates smoother and more durable highways. And unlike human workers, machines can operate for extremely long hours without fatigue. That dramatically increases construction speed. How AI controls the construction process. Artificial intelligence became the brain behind the entire project. Without AI, autonomous construction at this scale would not be possible. During construction, the system constantly collected massive amounts of information: road thickness measurements, temperature data, machine positioning, surface quality information, weather conditions, material usage. AI analyzed this data in real time. If asphalt temperature dropped too quickly, the system detected it instantly. If road compaction became uneven, the AI identified the exact location needing correction. If machinery moved outside safe operating limits, adjustments were made automatically. This level of precision is difficult to achieve consistently using only human labor. AI systems also improved efficiency. Construction schedules could be optimized dynamically. Machines received updated instructions instantly. Resources were distributed more effectively. Everything became faster and more organized. China is essentially transforming construction into a data-driven industry. Instead of relying mostly on physical labor, future infrastructure increasingly depends on software, automation, robotics, and digital systems. Why China is investing so heavily in automation? China's interest in automated construction is connected to a much larger strategy. The country builds infrastructure on an enormous scale. Every year, China constructs massive amounts of highways, bridges, rail systems, industrial zones, and urban developments. Managing projects at this size requires extraordinary efficiency. Automation helps solve several major problems. First is labor demand. Construction work is physically difficult. Many younger workers prefer technology-based careers instead of manual labor jobs. Automation reduces dependence on huge labor forces. Second is speed. China wants projects completed faster. Faster infrastructure means faster economic activity. Roads connect factories, ports, cities, and supply chains. The faster transportation systems are built, the faster industries can grow. Third is safety. Construction remains one of the world's most dangerous industries. Autonomous systems reduce human exposure to hazardous environments. Fourth is quality control. AI systems can maintain highly consistent standards across enormous projects. And finally, China wants leadership in future technologies. The country already dominates many industries such as drones, electric vehicles, batteries, and high-speed rail. Now China also wants to become a leader in intelligent infrastructure construction, the role of drones and satellites. Another major reason this project succeeded was advanced mapping technology. Traditional surveying methods usually take large amounts of time and manpower. Workers manually inspect terrain and measure distances across huge areas. But China increasingly relies on drones and satellite systems for infrastructure development. Drones flew above the highway project collecting highly detailed data. These drones created accurate 3D maps of the construction area. AI systems then analyzed the terrain information to improve planning and machine coordination. At the same time, China's satellite navigation system, known as BeiDou Navigation Satellite System, provided extremely accurate positioning information. This allowed autonomous machines to know their exact locations with incredible precision. Machines could move along planned paths automatically. Road alignment became more accurate. Material waste was reduced. Construction efficiency improved dramatically. Everything worked together as part of one connected digital system. AI, satellites, drones, autonomous vehicles, data analysis systems. Together, they created a new model for infrastructure construction. Can highways really be built without humans? The phrase "without humans" can sound misleading. Humans are still involved in these projects. Engineers supervise operations. Programmers manage software systems. Inspectors verify quality standards. Technicians monitor equipment performance. But the number of workers physically performing manual labor is far smaller than traditional highway construction. That is the major difference. Instead of thousands of workers manually controlling every step, intelligent systems now handle much of the operation automatically. Construction jobs are beginning to shift from physical labor toward technology management. Workers increasingly need digital skills. Understanding AI systems, robotics, sensors, software platforms, and autonomous equipment is becoming more important. This transformation is happening globally. But China appears to be moving faster than most countries. And that raises important questions. Will automation replace large numbers of construction jobs in the future? Or will it simply create new types of technical careers? The answer may depend on how quickly these technologies spread worldwide. How fast the project was completed. One of the biggest reasons this highway project gained global attention was speed. Automated systems can reduce construction timelines dramatically compared to traditional methods. Machines can operate continuously for long hours without fatigue. AI systems optimize workflow automatically, and communication between machines happens instantly through connected digital networks. In traditional construction projects, delays often happen because coordination between teams breaks down. Workers wait for instructions. Equipment arrives late. Human mistakes slow progress. And unexpected problems can stop operations for hours or even days. But automated systems handle many of these challenges more efficiently. Every machine becomes part of one intelligent network, sharing information in real time. If one section of the project changes, the entire system can respond immediately. This reduces delays, improves coordination, and speeds up the entire construction process. Another major advantage is precision. Autonomous machines can repeat tasks with consistent accuracy for long periods. That means fewer errors, less wasted material, and fewer repairs later. China has already demonstrated this speed advantage many times before. The country has built railway stations in extremely short periods, completed massive bridges at record speed, and even constructed emergency hospital facilities astonishingly fast during national emergencies. The 157-kilometer highway project continued that same pattern. It showed how AI, robotics, and autonomous construction technology could dramatically accelerate infrastructure development in the future. And for countries trying to expand transportation networks quickly, this technology could eventually become a major advantage. Global reaction to the project. Engineers and governments around the world are closely studying China's automated construction systems. Because this project is not just about one highway. It represents a completely new way of building infrastructure. Some experts believe this is the future of construction. They argue that AI and autonomous machines can build roads faster, improve quality, reduce human error, and lower accident risks. Automation could also help countries facing labor shortages, as fewer young people are choosing physically demanding construction jobs. But many experts remain cautious. Critics argue that these technologies are extremely expensive and difficult to maintain. Autonomous construction requires advanced software, AI systems, satellites, sensors, and highly specialized machinery. Not every country has the financial or digital infrastructure needed to support this technology. There are also legal and regulatory challenges. In many countries, infrastructure projects face strict labor laws, environmental reviews, and long approval processes that slow innovation. China's centralized planning system allows projects and experiments to move much faster. That gives China an important advantage in testing advanced infrastructure technology. Meanwhile, countries in Europe, North America, Japan, and South Korea are also developing automated construction systems, but progress is generally slower. Many analysts now believe future economic power may depend heavily on infrastructure technology. Countries that can build transportation systems faster, cheaper, and more efficiently could gain major economic advantages. And China is trying to position itself at the center of that future, the future of smart highways. The highway itself is only the beginning. China's larger goal is to create intelligent transportation infrastructure. Future smart highways may include embedded sensors inside road surfaces, AI traffic monitoring systems, communication systems connecting roads directly with autonomous vehicles, real-time maintenance tracking, wireless charging systems for electric vehicles, and integrated digital transportation networks. Future roads may communicate directly with self-driving cars. Traffic flow could become safer and more efficient. Accidents may decrease. Transportation systems may eventually function almost like intelligent digital networks. China is already testing many of these technologies. And automated construction is only the first step toward that future. Why this project matters for the world? This project is not important only because of China. It matters because it shows where global infrastructure may be heading. Countries with better transportation systems gain major economic advantages. Goods move faster. Factories operate more efficiently. Trade becomes easier. Supply chains become stronger. If automated construction reduces infrastructure costs significantly, many countries may eventually adopt these systems. Developing nations especially could benefit from faster and cheaper transportation development. But automation also creates challenges. Construction has traditionally provided jobs for millions of workers worldwide. As machines become more capable, labor markets may change dramatically. New technical jobs will appear. But traditional manual construction work may decline over time. This highway project represents more than just a road. It represents a major technological transition that could reshape the future of global infrastructure. So, what do you think about highways being built by robots and AI? Would you trust autonomous machines to build the roads of the future? And can other countries compete with China's speed and technology? Comment your opinion below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more documentaries about China's mega projects, future technology, AI, and the engineering transforming our world.